These animal facts make zero sense, and one of them is creating real-life zombies. Number 1. A wasp lays eggs inside a caterpillar. The babies eat their way out, but first, they mind control it into protecting them. Number 2. The immortal jellyfish can literally restart its life whenever it's in danger. It could be swimming around forever. Number 3. Crows can remember human faces and even hold grudges. If you annoy a crow, it might teach its friends to hate you too. Number 4. The cordyceps fungus takes over insects' brains, forces them to climb high, then bursts out of their bodies. If you don't want the zombie fungus coming for you next, subscribe now.